Unboxing. 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 Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O, back at it with another unboxing. This shoe, man, I didn't think I was gonna get it because I've never struck on an online release for this shoe. And it hit, and I had a homie, man. I had looked out for a homie. See, this is what happens when you do good shoe karma for people. I looked out for one of my homies, and he said, well, man, I'm gonna look out for you, try to see if I can get something in the cart for you. I was like, cool. So that morning when they went live, they had me in the waiting room. I'm just sitting there in the waiting room, online waiting. So my boy texts me, hey man, give me your login. So I give him my login. Shit, like it wasn't even a minute later. He was like, man, so go ahead and log in now. I went and logged in. I had 2 colorways in cart, but I wanted these. So I went ahead and got these, man. This is the color that I wanted, and I can't complain. Let's get to it. As you can see, when you see the box, you know what it is. You know what I'm saying? The description, Solar Hue NMD. This is the Pharrell joints, the human race. You know what I'm saying? So let me open this up. Let me move this knife out the way. The colorway that I chose was turquoise joints. Had to get them. Man, these are nice, man. Now, I will say I can't remember what this stand for, but the meaning of it was move forward is the meaning on both shoes. Because on the inside it doesn't give you, let's see if it has a card or something. No, it doesn't give you anything on the inside with a description of what it means, but the words on here basically mean move forward. And of course, with some of the letters like for E and stuff like that, they have a 3 on it. And for the one, I think it's an I. So it's Malele. And then on here, it's MB3 Mbele, which is move forward or something like that. I know one is forward and the other one is move. I think move forward is I think what it is. But these are dope, man. These are hard. I rock with these, man. I wanted these joints. Like I said, I've never struck online with a human race pair. Then they come with an extra set of laces. It has the black laces. I think I'm gonna stick with the orange ones, man. I like the color scheme with the orange. I really don't know what I can rock these with, but I know I will find something. As you can see here on the sole, the orange sole, it looks a little more cleated than the normal NMD releases. But I like it. It's not a flaw. It's different, but I do like it. I like this color. The other ones, the ones that I did like also, the black ones I had, I think yellow, it was black yellow, like the grayish yellow. I can't remember the color of laces, but they didn't have a size 13. That one stopped at a 12 for some reason on the Adidas website. Only this pair and the pink pair went up to like a 13 or a 14. But I was able to cop. I can't complain. On the inside of this shoe, it says pelvis. If you look, if you can see the inside here, it says pelvis. Just dope shoe. I think on the back, I think this is 3M on the back, if I'm not mistaken. It says Pharrell Williams on the back. It's just, these are dope. Like I had the multicolored pair of human races or whatever, and honestly, I wanted another colorway. So I was kind of like cool. I really wasn't too happy. I was satisfied, but I wasn't happy. It's not what I really wanted. I just settled. But with these, this is not a settle. This is what I wanted. And I got what I wanted, and I can't complain. Dope shoe. I may try to go and get a couple other human races. I'm just not paying those ridiculous ass prices. They can have it. The first drop, I'm definitely not buying any of those. 800, 900, 1,000, not doing it. Sorry. But it's a few other ones that I did see I like. I think I like the black pair. They were hard. But these are dope, man. These are dope. Like, a lot of people slept on these. I saw online that and they restocked on them a few times this week. I think this was probably the biggest release they've done out of the human race, because I've seen these restock all the way up to today, and today is what, Wednesday? From Saturday to Wednesday, I've seen this shoe restock almost every day this week on some website. But to me, this is one of the dopest colorways. Like, honestly, it's just my opinion. Like, the other ones are just solid. It's a solid colorway, which is dope. But this one pops, man. It has so much flair and other to it. This joint is dope. This is definitely a keeper. So let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Go ahead and subscribe to the page. Also, be sure to hit that like button. Don't know. I'm not doing the pickup. I'm not going to in-store. I'm trying to see what I noticed. Also, what I want to talk about is these international 5s. Now, the international 3s, those were general release. They were out everywhere, easy to cop. This international 5 is weird because the launch locator app wasn't showing the shoe, and then when you go on the launch locator website, it wasn't showing the shoe. So I had to make some calls for the international 5s. I called around to a few stores and finally got a definitive answer on this particular shoe. A couple of the foot actions were saying that they are getting them. Honestly, I'm gonna cross my fingers and hopefully they hit swoosh so I can, see if one of my peeps can come through for me. I'm gonna cross my fingers. I'm gonna cross my fingers on that one. Because I don't want to pay retail for them. I like them. Those 5s are hard. I just don't want to pay retail for them. But let me know in the description what you think of these joints. And then also let me know if you plan on copping the international 5s this weekend. Let me know down in the description. Appreciate you for tuning in. Share this page with friends and family, even a stranger. So until the next release, y'all be cool.